In our daily life, there will be some random crashes endangering your phone all the time. It could be a drop of your smartphone on the floor or a hit from the falling objects. In comparison with conventional smartphones, the rugged phones are certainly stronger to endure such crashes or dropping. The Ulefone Armor X10 is said to be solid enough to withstand sudden shocks, and the professionals tried to emulate some live crash tests to prove its durability. They have made a video of some live scenes to cause distress to the phone, in order to find its real sturdiness. In the first test, the tester attempted to use the stapler to crush the Armor X10, resulting in bent nail, but the screen is unaffected. Then they tried to scratch the camera back and forth with a screwdriver. However, the camera keeps its smooth and glossy surface after just being wiped by a cloth. In a similar way, the screen also gets scratched with a knife too. The piece of sticky note has obviously been cut through, but the screen still remains intact. To further test the firmness of the screen, the tester even sliced the apple on it with a large knife. Still, the screen is perfect for any operation without any scratches present. Since the Armor X10 can endure various scratches and pressure, what about its ability against shocks and sudden drops in the test? They placed the walnuts in a row, and used the rugged phone to crush them one by one. Though the nuts are smashed, the phone seems to be hardly affected. But what if the device is put in a bucket filled with sharp nails, calipers, knives and other construction tools to be shaken violently? The professionals did it, but the rugged phone appears fine, and all the functions and features remain the same. And the system still works smoothly and as fast as before. After that, the phone is thrown from stairs at a certain height, but once again the phone stayed safe and sound no matter what. Are you surprised about durability of Armor X10 after watching the video with so many live crash tests? According to the Yulefon global website, the Armor X10 is drop resistant and waterproof up to 1.5 meters. It is able to survive the harsh environment, and it is especially great for all outdoor lovers. What's more, with a 5.45-inch screen, it is a perfectly sized for a comfortable grip, at least compared with other rugged phone models. What deserves to be mentioned too is the built-in dual super linear speakers and dual smart PA, giving you wonderful sound quality. And it also supports headset-free FM radio. The Armor X10 really seems to be fully shockproof from the sudden drop in various life crashes. So it might be a handset that is good for the family with naughty boys, or even busy building workers. If you always wanted to give rugged phones a try, then Armor X10 would be a great choice. And the Yulefon official website is always waiting for your visit to learn more details about it. Thanks guys for watching. This is very important to me. Subscribe and leave a comment.